BMW dealerships close in China, amidst sales decline, a growing number of BMW dealerships are shuttering in China, raising concerns for car owners about warranty services and maintenance. The recent termination of brand authorization for a dealership in Jinan, Shandong Province, highlights a wider trend of legacy car brands struggling with sales performance in the Chinese market. Dealership closure confirmed the Daewoo Bailong BMW dealership in Jinan abruptly ceased operations, with signage removed and offices cleared out. Despite the sudden closure, BMW China has assured customers that existing factory warranties and service packages remain valid at all authorized dealerships nationwide. The dealer's remaining assets, including display vehicles, are being transferred. Warranty concerns addressed many BMW owners initially feared the dealership's closure would invalidate their maintenance packages and extended warranties. However, the business has been merged with the Daewoo Bailong main store, which will continue to honor existing agreements. This swift action aims to minimize disruption for customers who purchased services through the terminated location. Broader trend of dealership closures. This incident is not isolated. Last year, BMW's dealership network in China shrank by 8.2%, with over 50 stores closing or losing their authorization. While BMW officials attribute these closures to network optimization, industry observers suggest a more complex issue: declining sales amid rising competition. The situation reveals a shift in consumer preference and the challenges faced by traditional luxury car brands in China's dynamic automotive market. The closures reflect a need for BMW to adapt its strategy to local demands. Whether this involves streamlining operations or restructuring sales channels remains to be seen. The long-term impact of these closures on BMW's brand reputation and market share in China will depend on how effectively the company manages customer concerns and reinforces its commitment to the region.